Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaydene Campbell, and I'm here to show you guys how I remove my makeup and get on ready for the night to go to bed. So the first thing I want to do, the first thing I do is take my lashes off, and sometimes if I need to clean it, I clean it right away or put it back in the container. The next thing I do is I use makeup wipes. Now I'm trying this Crayon Case loose leaf makeup wipes, and for the first time in this video, and I absolutely love it. It's so moisturizing, as in it's very saturated with moisture, and I usually don't find that in all wipes. It's usually not too wet, and I want my wipes to be wet because that's the point. I want it to remove the makeup. So the first sheet of paper, or the first loose leaf wipes that I used, was completely brown. Like, it took off a lot of the makeup. Usually when I'm using wipes, I use 5, 6, 7 wipes. Nah, I use 3 wipes with this Crayon Case loose leaf wipe. And I go under my neck crevices, my eyes, under my eyes, you know, that stubborn black eyeliner, bruh, it removed it. And I use the second one. This is me using the second one just to make sure, to see how good of a wipe it is, and I'm telling you, I was impressed with this wipe. But then I still have my suspicions. So I'm going to go in with a third wipe, and I'm also going to use a micellar water, and this one is from Bior. I hope I'm saying it right. It's from Bior. It's a charcoal micellar water, and I love this. I really love this water. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and wipe my face again, get under my eyes where the black eyeliner is. Except I was talking about, it's so stubborn. Get my ears, everywhere, under my what they call it, my headband. I try to get up under there too, even though there's a lot of space left. It's my wig that's there, and I'm just gonna rub that off completely. Then after I'm done with that, the next step I do is to cleanse my face. Now I pre-cleanse with a soap bar. This soap bar is loved. You're gonna see how used this product is. I use it on my body and I use it on my face. I'm gonna re-up on some, but I'm just waiting. I shouldn't wait any longer, but I'm gonna re-up on some. It's the turmeric soap from Lulu Holistics. It's amazing. When I use this on my face, even when I don't have makeup on, it gets my face squeaky clean. Amazing. I love it. My body the same. It's supposed to tone your skin, control acne and all of that, and I love it. I really do love it. So I'm just gonna use it as a pre-cleanse basically, because I don't have enough, and then I'm going to wash that off, and I'm going with another cleanser that I've been using for years now, and this is the Juice and Beauty cleanser. Now I do use a spin brush to get deep down into my pores to clean my face completely, and I'm using, like I said, I'm using the Juice and Beauty cleanser, so I use 2 pumps. One thing I like about this cleanser as well, if you're traveling, you can actually lock it, so that the product won't come out, spill, or anything of that nature. So I do like that. So I use 2 when I wear makeup, but when I don't wear makeup, I use 1 pump. One pump is enough. So I'm just gonna saturate my face with this first, foam it up. Then I'm gonna go in with the A1 spin brush. I've had this A1 spin brush for a very long time. I want to say 2 years. You do want to change the brush heads regular. I would say every 3 months you change the brush head. So yeah, you can get them single from Avon. And I'm just going to cleanse my face with this. I go up my eyebrows because I draw my brows on, so there is product there. My nose area. Try to avoid the eyes as much as you possibly can. Don't go too much under, because you don't want to harm yourself now. So I'm just going to scrub my face. Scrub it up. Scrub it up. Then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in a second time, and as you can see, it's the second time. It's more study. You don't have to do this twice, but I like to do it twice just to ensure that I'm getting rid of all of the makeup. So after I'm done cleansing my face, I went ahead and I took a shower because we have to cleanse the entire body now. Okay, so I took a shower, and then I came back to finish my routine and my robe and all these things. So yeah, I'm clean, fresh. Now I'm gonna go in with the Equate cotton pad. I use this. I've been using this for 2 months now as a toner. I'm trying it out. It's the Thayer's it's the Thayer's facial toner with witch hazel. So I've been using this for 3 months now. It's okay so far. I like it. It hasn't done any damage to my skin. So I changed the head of the dispenser, and I just dispense at least 3 to 4 pumps to saturate the pad, the cotton pad, and then I just use it on my face and tone my face. As you can see, I do have a lot of dark marks. I'm working on it because I neglected my face for some time, but now I'm working on it again. The next step that I love to take, I absolutely love this mask, this sheet mask. It's a Neutrogena Hydro Boost mask. Now, this is the best thing to do when you're trying to relax. I usually just put it in the fridge for like 5 to 10 minutes to cool, because it's naturally cool, but I want it to be cooler. And I pop it into the fridge, and then I just sit down and relax and let the mask does its thing. You can cover your lips with it because it also is going to hydrate your lips. And this has hyaluronic acid in it, and hyaluronic acid traps moisture on your face. But yeah, it's bomb. So it basically retains the moisture. Yeah, it retains moisture in your skin. So when I put the rest of the products that I use, it traps them and make my face more moisturized and not dry and deteriorate. If you don't have a skincare routine, you need to be doing something with your face. Don't just don't use soap and water. Like a lot of people say, oh, I use soap and water. No, it's not the way to go. You need to moisturize and take care of your skin. Now the rest of the juice of the sheet that's in the package of the sheet mask, I throw that out and I put it on my skin, and I rub it on my neck and also my hands. Whatever you do to your face, you should do to your neck. They connect. Trust me, they do. Then I'm gonna go in with a moisture rich face serum, and this is hyaluronic acid green tea. As you can see, I do love hyaluronic acid because, like I said, it retains moisture, and especially because it's winter time, I need as much moisture. I need to retain as much moisture as I can. So I'm just going to apply that soothingly on my face. I'm not pressing down on my skin. I'm gliding it over, but I'm also pushing the product into my skin. I also go in outward motion. Like I said, we don't want to cause no premature wrinkles in 2020 or beyond. We go up on our neck. Trust me, do it, girls. Take your time. Go in an outward motion gently, and then you pat that into your skin. Just pat. Push that into your skin. Trust me, it feels amazing. I love doing my skincare routine. It's like amazing for me to do. Like, it feels so therapeutic when I do my skincare routine. The next thing I go in with is collagen. Now, collagen is really good for the elasticity in your skin, so it repairs that, and you do want that. So basically, it is a crucial to supple skin. It prevents wrinkle, and it leaves your skin plump and youthful, and that's what we want with the collagen. And I've been using it for some time. This one is from Dead Sea. I love it. Then I'm gonna go in the vitamin C serum. I'm gonna try out some other ones. I've been using this for like 2 to 3 months now. It's alright. I don't have a problem with it, but I want to try other vitamin C that I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about, so I'm gonna try that. But this one is good. If I don't use this one, I usually use the Avon vitamin C, and I find that it works perfectly fine. As you can see, I just use 3 drops on my face and I gently rub that in. I mostly pat this one in because the package instruction says to pat it into your skin. So I warm it up first and then I pat it into my skin. Yeah, so just pat away, my loves. Then after I'm done with all my serums, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. And right now I'm using the Olay Hydrating Moisturizer. I actually really like this moisturizer. I've been using it for like a month, 2 months now. Yeah, 2 months. And I really like how hydrating it is. The cream is thick. It's a thick consistency. You don't need a lot. It's amazing. I will keep this in my routine. I do love the Hydra Boost line, but for now I'm gonna work with this. I really like it. It's good to try out stuff and see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So yeah, for now this is my go-to. I really like it, and the price that I pay for it and the quantity I receive, I really like that as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. The next thing that every girl should be incorporating in their routine, especially if you're over 22, you want to start. I do have under eye cream, and this one is from L'Oreal Paris. Now this has hyaluronic acid in it plus caffeine, and this cream is to reduce puffiness, smooths lines and wrinkles, and diminishes dark circles. I'm a new mom. I rarely get enough sleep, so I need this. My eyes are puffy because, like I said, I'm not getting enough sleep, so I really love incorporating this in my routine. And you see how I apply it, and I just pat it in. That's the goal, pat it in. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then once I'm done with all that, I go in with my lip balm. This one is from Soft Lips, because we want soft lips, honey. Yes. So this is a strawberry, fresh strawberry, and we don't want chappy lips. No, we don't. Especially it's winter, it's very dry, like I said. So that is it for my skincare routine, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also leave your thoughts down below if you've tried any of these products, or what is your current skincare routine. Let me know. Sound off down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.